All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So out, out, not inside, in or in something, not inside something. Out, out. We will go out today. I rarely go out the house. I only go out when I want to exercise at the gym. Out. Out. I will go out. I've been inside too much. We need to go out today. When will we go out? I don't know. When will we go out? It depends on things. I went out when it is warm. We only go out in the evening. In the evenings, yeah. You can find it out there in the world. We can find it somewhere out there. The mountain is out there in the wider world. Yes. There is a big world out there. There is a big world out there with challenges and opportunities. Yes. So we can figure a way out of here. We will find a way out. There is always a way out. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So out. So we could say then, I walked out the door and into nature. Yes. Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. So out. Not inside or in something. Out. Now, can you use out in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or simply Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.